Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And I am the Mini Kit Monday host for the month of November. And I selected this pin from Pinterest as our inspiration for the month of November, along with some tic-tac-toe boards that you can select over from our Facebook group site. So for this layout, I am using this tic-tac-toe board and I am going diagonally, and you can see it's paperclip, orange, and glitter. So my glitter is those alpha oranges from the leaves, oranges from this chipboard set from Echo Park and the icons, and then I slipped in my paper clips from my stash. Not sure which ones I wanted to use, so I have a variety there. So I have a orange, yellow, black, gold, a butterfly, and a squirrel. There's the black paper clip right there. And then this is a puffy sticker that was loose on my desk, so I just added it to this kit. So I'm just showing you that this chipboard set has frames and icons. Then I have an orange 6x6 from my stash, and then I have that kind of rustic brown paper, and then I'm showing here the pattern papers. If you want to know the exact names, you'll either have to freeze this video here right at the moment, or go back to the kit reveal, which is the first Monday of November. So I'm going to take that 12x12 and I am going to trim off the branding strip. And then I take this other paper here and cut it 4x12 of pattern leaves. And I know that is from Cartabella. And then this paper here is from Bo Bunny. And I'm going to cut 3 1/2 inches, or I'm going to cut 3 that are 1/2 inch by 12. And I will also bring back that pattern paper from Cartabella of the leaves and cut another 1/2 inch. And then from that rustic brown cardstock paper, I will cut 2 1/2 inches. So now I have laid out my foundation layer there. And for the 12x12 paper that I just cut the zip strip, that's my foundation layer. I didn't do any masking on the back. I used the full 12x12, laid my 4x6 at the top, then layered up my 1/2 inch strips there, and then also repeated that pattern on the bottom. Now, I wanted my title to be my focal point somewhat, or part of the focal point, I guess. And these glitter stickers were perfect, which I spell out the word autumn. And then I used that puffy sticker that was laying around that says stay golden. Then I stamped out the word days, and I do not remember where I picked up those alpha stamps. But I did use the intensive black ink from Close to My Heart. Next, I'm going to lay out these gorgeous inlaid fall leaves that I picked up from Hobby Lobby and place them around my title. Then next, I will get out that chipboard set from Echo Park, and I'm going to use a couple of chipboard pieces. And the first one that I get out is a circle one that says Hello Fall, and I place that over in the upper left-hand corner. So there, I'm popping it out right there. Then I get out a word phrase chipboard that says So Very Thankful, and I thought I wanted to place it up there in the upper left-hand corner, and then I decide its home would work perfect underneath my photograph above my title, and you'll see me move it there. See, right there. Yay, I'm happy. And then I pop out a barn that says Welcome to Our Patch, and place that over on the left-hand side. As you can see off camera, or not really off camera, I edited out placing my arrows over there on the right hand side pointing to the photograph. Now I have out my Dina Wakley gloss spray, and that color is, let me tell you, the color is Tangelo. Love that, a beautiful orange. And then I am using Dilution Shimmer Spray and Pure Sunshine. And I just love how the Dana Wakley gloss spray and the Tangelo just made this layout pop, and my layout will be complete. Be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy to see what they created from their kit this Monday. I will have the link listed below. Plus, I will have the link to our Facebook group site. If you are not a member, we would love for you to be a member. But most of all, go over there and be inspired. And if you would like to play along, snap a photograph of your kit and 4 layouts that you created, and you will be entered in to possibly win a curated gift from me or a gift card from one of your favorite 2 scrapbook stores that I will provide for you. All right, I appreciate you all. Here are the close-ups. Get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Give us a thumbs up, and of course, keep coming back and be a subscriber of everyone's channel. Bye.